Let's download the Arduino IDE. In your web browser, go to arduino.cc. From the top navbar, select Products and then Arduino IDE. On the software page, go to the Arduino IDE section and with the Windows 10 or newer option selected, click the Download button. The installer should now download to your PC. Once the download is complete, go to the installer and double-click it. Click your way through the installer. You can accept the default options. Once the Arduino IDE has finished installing, make sure this Run Arduino IDE checkbox is ticked and click the Finish button. The Arduino IDE should now open. Upon running for the first time, the IDE will download and install some libraries that it requires. Wait for this process to complete. While these libraries are being installed, some dialog boxes may appear, asking for permission to install certain device software. If this happens, go ahead and allow the installation. Okay, the Arduino IDE is now ready to go.